Ready for brownie dessert cups with peanut butter mousse. The dessert bowl is like a brownie cake and the mousse is silky smooth. This is a super simple dessert that looks like it took hours to make. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I share delicious recipes, tips, and techniques with you. I'm excited. I got this pan, this brand new pan. It is called a brownie bowl pan. And the idea behind it is you make brownies and they come out like an edible bowl. And it is time to experiment. I'm excited for this because what we're going to be making today are edible brownie bowls, and I'm going to fill it with a delicious peanut butter mousse. I'm going to top it with some shaved chocolate and maybe even a Reese's cup. So if you're into brownies and if you're into peanut butter, and who isn't, come on, let's do this. So in our mixing bowl, we're going to be adding 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar. We have 6 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of espresso powder. This gives the chocolate an extra bang. It makes the chocolate come through so beautifully. Adding 1 teaspoon of salt, and then this is a combination of 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm just going to give it a quick little stir before we add our wet ingredients to this. This is 6 teaspoons of canola oil, 2 eggs at room temp, and this is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're just going to mix this until it's combined. As this is mixing, I'm going to slowly add in 1/2 cup of water with an additional 2 tablespoons of water. So I've gone ahead and I've really sprayed this pan. I'm a little paranoid that they're going to stick, but we'll see. Again, this is an experiment, so we'll see. I'm going to use my big cookie scoop. This is about the equivalent of about 1/4 cup. And I'm thinking that I'm going to need to use 2 of these for each of our little brownie bowls here, but we'll see. According to pan instructions, I need to fill these up about halfway. All right, so here we go. This batter is a pretty thin batter. So there's 1 scoop. And there's 2 scoops. And I think that's going to do it. If you can see here, it's filled up about halfway. We're going to cook these for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. And I'm going to cool them in the pan for about 10 minutes before we do the big flip. So we'll see. I'm excited. All right, now's the time to see if this actually works. So here's my cooling rack. I'm going to place it over the brownie bowls. I'm going to turn it over. Well, they came out, and look at them. Look at how they turned out. I am more than amazed and more than pleased. Here's a little bit better of an angle to look at them. They're pretty big. And I think while we let these cool, I'm going to go ahead and start making our peanut butter mousse. It is peanut butter mousse time. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to continue to whisk the heavy cream until large stiff peaks form, and then we're going to fold in our peanut butter. So this is good. This is where we want to be. If you'll notice, you can see how the whipped cream does not drop from the whisk attachment. It's just there. It's not going anywhere. So this is perfect. And we're going to add our peanut butter now. This is a 1/2 cup of natural peanut butter. It's an organic natural peanut butter, and it's thinner than peanut butter like Skippy or Jif. If you're using Skippy or Jif, I would suggest heating it in the microwave for 10 seconds or so that you get this kind of a consistency where you can just pour it in like this. So here is our peanut butter mousse, and this is exactly the consistency I was going for. Very smooth, very light. So I'm going to wait until the brownie bowls are completely cooled, and we'll put this in a piping bag and let the magic begin. All right, so I filled a piping bag with some of the peanut butter mousse, and this is exciting since I've never filled a brownie bowl before, but we're gonna take the mousse and we're just gonna swirl it like that in these delicious chocolatey brownie bowls. This is almost like, I would say, a brownie cake, but look how smooth this mousse is. And we have just enough. I have some peanut butter cups, and I think I'm just gonna put a peanut butter cup on each, like that. And there you have it. All right, so here we go. Here's a little close-up of our brownie bowl with the peanut butter mousse. The exciting thing about these brownie bowls is it doesn't have to be just a brownie. You could use any kind of a white cake or a chocolate cake to make these dessert bowls, I guess you would call them. You could use funfetti. I'm even thinking maybe of using a chocolate chip cookie and seeing what you get with that. That would be a really fun thing to try. As far as fillings, these are definitely big enough so that you can take a big scoop of ice cream, put it on top, drizzle some hot fudge sauce on there, whipped cream, there you go. So you have an ice cream brownie bowl or an ice cream cake bowl, whatever you want to call it. I think that the combinations you could use here are unlimited. As far as mousse, you could do a raspberry mousse, you could do a strawberry mousse. Today we did a chocolate mousse. You could use puddings in here. I think it's endless as far as what you could do with these. So I think I'm on a roll here. Well, thank you for joining me today as we made these delicious brownie dessert bowls filled with a peanut butter mousse. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.